Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, the background and all has changed right now because I'm in Kerala, and if you follow me on Instagram you already know I'm in Kerala. And thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I finally hit 1000 subscribers, and as I had mentioned in all of my previous videos that a 1000 subscriber giveaway is going to come soon. It's gonna come right after this giveaway that's already going on. If you haven't yet participated, go participate. I'll just link the post link in the description, because if you guys don't know, you can just go to my Instagram handle. Actually, it's linked in the description. You guys can just check out for the giveaway post. It's the recent giveaway post that you guys can check out and participate, so that it's just my way of telling you guys thank you. And unfortunately I can't gift everybody, like all 1000 of you guys, so any two lucky winners, whoever it's gonna select randomly, and I'm just gonna give them the giveaway. And don't get disappointed if you all don't win, because definitely the next giveaway is right on the edge. Within a couple of days I'm gonna post it as soon as this giveaway ends. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys my empties of 2021. Sorry, I'm still in 2020. Oh god, my empties of 2021, whatever products have been completely depleted in my makeup, skincare, whatever it is. I'm gonna show you guys whatever products I've used completely, and if I'm gonna purchase it again, how much I recommend it to you all to use it. That's what I'm gonna discuss in today's video. So without any further ado, let's begin with today's video, guys. So the first product that is completely emptied is this. It is Pantene's Pro-V, what is this thing? It's Pantene Pro-V oil replacement thing. Oil replacement, it's actually serum kind of thing. It's a cream basically. It's oil replacement cream. Instead of oil you apply this. I usually apply this when I want to straighten my hair. It is like a protector against heat damage, and it works really good. It gives me a silky straight hair look. I don't usually straighten my hair, but whenever I do, I apply this. Like for any event, if I want it to be straight for a longer time, I use this thing, and it works really amazing for me. I mean, there might be really better products than this one too out there, I don't know, but I have been using this because it's very budget friendly also. You guys can see the price and all. I'll link all these products in the description also, as always. So this one definitely I'm gonna purchase again, because I need my hair to be protected from damage, and this works well for that. And I'll try finding a really good alternative, but I'll see. It's always better to stick on to what works with your hair type and everything rather than experimenting. So I'm kind of reserved, so I'm gonna stick to this thing probably. So yes, this is the first empty of 2021. I'm going on to the next empty. I have this. It's not empty basically, it's the last one, I guess. It's the last. Yeah, I have two more, I guess, out of the whole pack of heating pads that I have. These are stick-on heat pads that you can stick to the inner side of your cloth, and you can just leave it there. Like, it's a heating pad. It's a mobile heating pad. It's like you can use it whenever you're traveling and everything. Like, it's really good. Especially when you're like on your period and you have to attend a class or you have to go anywhere, you can just stick this, and this is gonna give you a really good warming effect. It's better than any other thing, like a pill instead of a pill, obviously, because pills and all, they work good, but how many pills can you take? You definitely need something like this. A heating pad works amazing, we all know that, and that is why this heating pad is on my list. I'm gonna repurchase this. It's from a brand called Ilahui. I have mentioned this a lot of times. Yeah, I'm gonna repurchase this definitely. I'm gonna go to Ilahui and get this one again, because it is a must-have, and it lasts for like 12 hours. You see, it's not only for period pain, actually it is for every kind of pain, for muscle pain, everything. Like if you have a joint pain or something, so all of a sudden you don't have any balm, you can keep this handy. It's just so thin, you can just slip it in your bag, you can use it anytime you want. So this is again a must have. If I find alternatives of this instead of Ilahui, I'm gonna link it in the description. You obviously get heating pads nowadays. I think it's available on Amazon. I'll check it out. And my next empty is this Everyuth's Golden Peel Off Mask. It is one of my favorite, like my top 3 favorites mein to ye mask definitely aata hai, because this is so good. Guys, you should try this mask out. It's like when you apply this and you peel it out, it's a peel out mask obviously, as I said. When you peel it out, you get that instant glow, that instant softness on your face. I mean, it's just amazing. It's the kind of skin you want before going to a fancy event or a function or a marriage to attend anything. It is really good. And to all these, and I usually use it nowadays because I film and stuff, so I need a little good looking skin. Yeah, you know, instead of all this, you can just come to Kerala because the water here is amazing. It's just gonna glow your skin naturally. That's what I love about Kerala. Like, I love a lot of things about Kerala. But yes, this thing works really good. You guys should try it out definitely. This one and the light serum sheet mask, Garnier light serum sheet mask. Yeah, that definitely, because that's just one and I don't have any empty cover of that, so I did not show you that. So I'm just showing it here. This and this, both of this, guys, definitely. I recommend you 100% to try this out. And my next empty is, it is getting empty. Like, it's about to, yeah, my phone, sorry. It's about to get empty, and it is bio oil. Yes, I've showed you guys this too. This works really good for, you know, stretch marks and everything, for puberty stretch marks, for if you are getting pregnant, maternal stretch marks, all kind of stretch marks basically. These work really good is what I've heard, and that's why I was trying this. Even though I'm like applying this regularly, some days I've definitely missed using this, but yes, it is showing a slight difference. So I think I'm gonna purchase it again and see, continue it for an year on and off. Like, it's not like 1 week or 1 month I forget to apply it. It's not like that. I just miss out on a few days in a week or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out again and see for a year next year. I mean, this bottle worked for like 6 months. I don't know, 3 months I guess. How much is it supposed to work? I don't know. Yeah, this worked really good. It's for 1200. Yeah, I got it for 800 bucks on Amazon, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna try it out again, like 1 more bottle of the same height, and I'm gonna see if there's any difference. Then I'm gonna continue this, or else I don't think so there's a point in continuing this, because everybody has stretch marks and I was really insecure about my stretch marks and everything before, like way before. Like, I was like very insecure. Even though I see a lot of people wearing you know, outfits and they don't have stretch marks, I'll be like on Instagram. Then I finally realized that it's all edited. I mean, obviously everybody has stretch marks when you reach your puberty, so yes, but still I'm gonna see if I can maintain my stretch marks, and if it gradually fades away, it won't go away. So yeah, and that's why I'm gonna use it again and keep you guys updated. Okay, moving on to my next product. This is something I've not shown you guys actually. This one, I use this because of all of these sales that is going on recently. It's Christmas sale, New Year sale. All these notifications are like irritating me to the maximum extent. It's like I will end up buying something is what they think, but I'm very in control nowadays. I'm not going to shop because I have a lot of outfits already. I'm not shopping at all, guys. What a lie, what a lie, what a... Yeah, so this thing is from Sanfe. It is a brightening back and bum cream actually. I use this for, you know, when you have acne. Yeah, when you have acne marks, acne, anything, anywhere in your back and bum, obviously you need to use these things, because they because the skin type is not same on your face and your body. Anywhere on your body you can use this actually. Every single like underarm cream is different, you know, back and bum cream is different, thigh cream is different, knee cream is different. I was like, okay, there might be some difference in all of this, but I don't really think so. I don't know. It's like everything is a body, you know, but the skin is really thick and the skin is not as thin on the face, and that's why you need separate creams, separate body parts, and that is why I've used this thing. it has definitely helped me. I can say I'm definitely gonna buy this again. Especially more than this thing, I have used this thing. Yeah, Sunface Intimate Lightening Serum. You can see how much I've used it. Yeah, this thing is really amazing. I'm gonna use this instead of this, I guess, because this I already have a new thing in my home. This Intimate Lightening Serum works amazing for your underarms if you have dark underarms or if you have dark inner thighs. It's gonna work really good. You can see the difference in first use itself, guys. You have to definitely try this out. This is the same, the rejuvenating, what am I saying? So this is the same, this is just the gel and this is the serum. So it's like first you apply the serum or gel. There's a method actually, you should just see. You have to use it twice daily to get results. They have mentioned everything in the backside. You can read it and you can use it accordingly. This was like a combo thing that I've got. Both are emptied. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for the skincare stuff actually. Now I'm going to show you guys some makeup stuff. Yeah, I'm holding it in my hand already. This thing I don't think I'm gonna buy it again, but this is really a good beginner's nude lipstick. I mentioned this a lot of times on my channel and a lot of guys have already bought and used it. I like you guys for that. Thanks for considering my recommendation, and I'm glad that you guys are liking it because this one's completely like empty. No, it's not empty. There's a little bit left. I thought it was completely finished, but yes. The lipstick is over. It's Maybelline's Touch of Spice. The shade number is 660. This is like the perfect dusky tone. Dusky pink nude lipstick. Yes. Dusky pink nude lipstick. I'm not getting words nowadays. What's wrong with me? Yeah. I'm not gonna buy it again because I have a Nykaa lipstick that is similar to this already and I don't know where is it. I lost it or something. It's in my home somewhere. I have to search for it. And the next thing that I think I'm gonna purchase, but I don't think the same brand but the same color, I'm definitely gonna purchase because it's a really nice color. Lakme's Maroon Magic actually. The shade's name is Maroon Magic. It's a lipstick, Lakme Absolute Matte Lipstick, yes. Lakme's lipsticks are really good. I don't know if I'm gonna get any other brand because I bought Sugar recently and I did not like the lipstick. I mean, I bought this one. Where is it? Sorry, I had to go. Swiggy had come to home. Basically, this Sugar lipstick is so matte. It feels like I've painted my lips and it's really uncomfortable at times, you know. Always it's really uncomfortable for me. It's like very matte. It is not even like if you have to even eat something, it's like very like your lips becomes very stiff and everything. So I don't recommend this matte lipstick for you guys. Definitely I don't recommend this, but this one has a really good shade and it's also it's finished almost. You can see it's a really nice maroon shade. Yeah, obviously Maroon Magic, that's the shade name. I'm gonna definitely get this. Maybe a little bit of like color variation or something. I'll see. I'm definitely gonna get this though. So this is definitely recommended. Moving on to lipsticks, even my Huda Beauty lipstick is going to get over. Yeah, this one is the shade Icon. This is a liquid matte lipstick. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's finished, but it is, guys. I have to like scrape it out and I have to apply. I've been using this shade a lot and I have to experiment my lipstick shades a little bit so that I have a lot of lipsticks, but I just end up using the ones that I regularly use. Even I don't use a lot of bright orange vagera shades and all. I don't even touch those. I don't even touch fuchsia pink shades because they are all really bright, and nowadays it's all about there's a train going, and nowadays it's all about nude lipsticks, so I'm gonna get nude lipsticks. Also, this thing is very recommended. If you guys have chapped lips, don't forget to get the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is just 500 bucks, but it's really tiny, I know, for 500 rupees. But it's not yet over, guys. I mean, I don't have chapped lips all the time. I use Vaseline instead of this regularly, but this I use it when I'm going to sleep, yes, because that time it plumps my lips and gives me a really good hydrated, you know, texture and everything. So this is a really nice thing for that. A little bit is enough for your lips and this works really amazing. This is also a 100% recommended thing that you guys should definitely try out. Trust me, you're gonna love this lip balm from the first time. It's not even a lip balm, it's a lip sleeping mask, yes. From the first use, you're gonna love it. Okay, for my last empty from 2021 this is my favorite, one of my favorite makeup products, guys. This is Insights Primer, 3-in-1 primer. I've used a lot of primers, but this primer is so worthy. Like, this is cheap and best. I'm gonna say it's best. It makes my makeup stay a lot longer than all the other primers that I've used that are high, like water based and everything, but this thing has a really good, you know, base. It has a really good silicone texture to it. I'm gonna get it again, even though it's like, you might think it's really tiny, but for its price it's really good. It's just for like 240 rupees, so definitely worth it. If you don't use a primer before makeup, do use a primer, because you want your makeup to stay a little bit longer. And if you're using just moisturizer or anything too, it's okay. But if you are going for a function or if you want your makeup to last longer, do use a primer. And I'm gonna definitely recommend this one for you if you're a beginner, or if you haven't ever done makeup, you want a primer, this is your choice, your first choice. I'm not doing any brand promotion, guys, but seriously, these are really good. That's why I'm telling you guys like that. And yes, that's it for today's video. These were some of my empties of 2021. If I have anything else that I want to really recommend you guys, I feel like I missed out on telling you guys, I'm gonna just upload an Insta story or something. So definitely go follow me on Instagram. And yes, I have a really nice, you know, feeling towards YouTube now, because I'm really motivated and I'm gonna create really amazing videos the next year. I feel that somehow. And yeah, I hope you had a really good Christmas, and I hope you have a really nice year ahead. Yes, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to, and I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye guys.